In this video, we're going to look into how to fix crashes and bugs in the Chai app. So first thing what you can always do to fix this is your app might require an update. So to check that, go to your Play Store and search for the app. Okay, so open up the app on Play Store and see if there is an update here. If there's an update, just update it, because sometimes the updates can remove all the bugs and everything. So your app might just need an update. So that's the first point of troubleshooting that you can do. Apart from that, what you can always also do is go to your settings on your phone. So if it's your app is up to date, that's fine. And then go to your apps on your phone. So just go to your apps and then look for the Chai app and go to the like the app settings. So once you're on the app here, look for Chai and then go to the settings. Okay, so open it up, and then from once you're on the settings here, go and select your storage. Okay, click on storage, and from here try to clear the cache as well as the data. Try to clear it and then close the app. Okay, close the app and then relaunch it. So just exit the app and then relaunch the app, and that should most probably fix up the issue. And also once you have the up-to-date version of the app, it should fix up the issue.